Hey Dan, yeah, welcome to the vlog. And this is the journey of the Monarch. And we're getting ready to
right, and then she'll be walking up ya, and then you take your finger and you go just like this and pinch her wings when she puts them together. You don't hold her like this.
Ow,
You
Christ.
hold her like this.
That hurts.
So that she just can't open them.
That hurts.
Okay? Okay?
Yeah, okay, ouch.
If you pinch her too hard, you're gonna hurt her.
You didn't have to pinch me that hard. You could have just told me you have to pinch me real hard.
give me an example.
Yeah,
put
I'm
your
gonna
finger
give
down
I'm
in
gonna
there.
give you an example. Oh my God, here's Dana.
Yeah.
Only
Here
Dana.
we go. We're gonna release number 3. I think she'll just stay right
Just
on
like
her
that.
fingers.
Just like that.
I think you just leave her on there. She'll be
I
fine.
don't want you leaving her around there because if she flies, we won't catch her.
Gotta keep the wings together.
You take her because she's not wanting to cooperate.
I think she
I'll give her back to you outside.
maybe.
You're doing. Come on now.
Gotta get up real close in person.
Come on.
No, get out of here.
You're okay. You're gonna go outside in the real world. Look at this big world.
Upstairs. Upstairs.
Well,
This big world. Well, put your hand out. Doesn't she feel neat?
It does.
okay, we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Jackie. Go on. She's looking at me like, what? She says, I don't like you. Look at her back away from you. She says, what the hell?
I think I'm gonna say.
She says, I'm not a parrot. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where'd she go? There she is. Figure out what she's doing.
Yo, look at
There she is. There she is. Find me a limb to hang on.
I'm gonna go hang on that tree.
I'm gonna go hang on the limb.
That's it. That's all there is to it.
Look up there. Look at that giant moth.
There she is. Look right there at that limb right there. See that little V sticking out? The horseshoe? That's her right there. She's gonna hang out and hold on for a while. Here we go. That was the release of number 3. We're gonna let number 4.
Come on, babe. You wanna go?
Let number 4 go.
I know. You wanna go, don't you?
It's been like 80 hours since she was born. Technically, we think you should let her go within 36 hours of hatching, but we're gonna go ahead.
Bye-bye.
She says, I've been ready to leave.
I know, huh?
Man, look how bright orange she is.
I know, ain't she? She's getting a...
She's so orange, she looks fake.
Right. Oh, she's in. Oh, she landed in the apple tree. All right, here we go. That was number 4. And we got 5 and 6 that haven't hatched yet. And we got number 8, who's now almost a full-size caterpillar. There he is. And that's going to be number 8 right there. Number 7. And number 6. Where are you? All right. Main Lackawanna. You know the old CVS? Yeah. You know what CVS is? That road right there? You come out on the main.